Yes, you heard me right. TikTok. Oh yes. Now TikTok is doing magic. When it comes to views, when it comes to viewership, TikTok, I can say currently, if it's not leading, will be getting closer to the first social media platform that's helping a lot of people get more views. Oh yes. And so one thing you should also have in mind is that you should be able to leverage upon that. You should be able to take advantage on that. And this is a strategic and a smart way. Now, after getting a short portion of your video, a very interesting part, go to TikTok, your page over there on TikTok, and then upload that. And you see, since you cannot share your link over there, now on your TikTok page, make sure you link it with your YouTube channel. And so when people watch that short video and they are interested in that, they will be able to move straight away to your YouTube to watch your videos. And not only that, now the short video, at the end of that particular short video, you can add a caption over there that for the full video, watch it on my YouTube channel, where you have in the YouTube channel the name boldly written under the for full video inscription. It is one of the strategic ways that have actually helped me over here getting more views, more subscribers, and that of more watch hours. Let me get you the tool that I've been using and the powerful tool to generate all the engaging and interesting captions over there, and that is what we call Chat GPT. This Chat GPT has been helping a lot. Whenever you go on Chat GPT, what you're actually going to see is that, how may I help you? Enter over there, give it a prompt, a very nice prompt. Let Chat GPT know that, okay, I've published a video. The video is about this. I want to upload a caption of the video, and now I want you to generate for me a very catchy caption that will trigger the attention of people to actually log on to my YouTube channel and be watching my videos. Just within a click, this Chat GPT is actually going to get you a powerful thing over there, and actually going to be amazed. Try that, and then let me get to know the outcome of your trial. Thank you very much, and I'm sure you've gotten value from this particular video. That is exactly what I do over here on this my YouTube channel, giving you valuable tips and education on how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you want to be receiving powerful videos like this, do well to click on the subscribe button, be part of this family as we keep on growing from small to great. Thank you very much. See you next time in my next video. But hey, don't forget to watch this particular video. This particular video is strictly for all of you who would want to know how to get your 1,000 subscribers.